Hi, I'm Peyton Murphy. As a lifelong resident of Louisiana, my family is located throughout the state. My wife Jennifer is from Crowley, Louisiana. We have 3 children, Jansen, Taylor, and Reese. I was raised in Baton Rouge and attended LSU. After I graduated in 1988, I went to law school and received my law degree from Tulane University in 1991. I worked for a judge in Connecticut and then moved back to Louisiana and went to work for an insurance defense firm in Lafayette. I decided that year I did not want to work for big business, but instead wanted to help people. So in 1993, I founded Murphy Law Firm. I was only 26 years old with $6,000, $85,000 in student debt, and an old beat-up car. I only had a few clients. A lot has changed since then. I've now represented thousands of clients with thousands of successful verdicts and settlements. I take a lot of pride in my job and respect the judicial system. This is my calling in life, and trial work is my passion. Being raised in Louisiana, I've inherited more than a love for great food, hunting, and fishing. I've learned about family values, genuinely caring for people, and fighting for what's right. It's important to me that all of our clients are satisfied with the work our lawyers do for them. If you or a loved one has been injured, let me make it easy for you. I will fight to protect your rights.